Seapower reported that the U.S. Navy officially retired its final EP-3E Aries II electronic reconnaissance aircraft, marking the conclusion of its 55-year service. The aircraft was formally withdrawn during an informal ceremony on February 12, 2025, at Naval Air Station Whidbey Island in Washington. Fleet Air Reconnaissance Squadron 1 VQ-1, the last squadron operating the EP-3E, completed its final mission on February 13. This aircraft, identified by Bureau Number BUNO 159893, was the last of the 26 EP-3Es introduced in 1970, which had been crucial in providing signals intelligence and surveillance capabilities for naval and strategic operations. The EP-3E Aries II played a pivotal role in intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance ISR for over 5 decades. The aircraft supplied fleet and theater commanders with real-time intelligence, aiding in strategic decision-making and enhancing situational awareness. Originally derived from modifications of P-3 Orion airframes, the EP-3E evolved through successive upgrades. The program initially saw 10 P-3A Orions converted into electronic reconnaissance aircraft, replacing the preceding EP-3B versions. By the 1990s, a transition to an improved fleet based on the P-3C Orion took place, leading to the conversion of 17 aircraft to sustain an operational fleet of 12. Outfitted with advanced signals intelligence (SIGINT) systems, the EP-3E gathered and processed electronic signals via high-sensitivity receivers and high-gain dish antennas. The onboard crew analyzed intercepted signals and correlated them with external intelligence sources, delivering critical operational support. The aircraft contributed to multiple mission domains, including electronic warfare, suppression of enemy air defenses, anti-submarine warfare, and maritime surveillance. Designed specifically for multi-intelligence reconnaissance missions, the EP-3E Aries II was the only land-based reconnaissance platform in the U.S. Navy's inventory. Each unit was valued at approximately $36 million. The aircraft was powered by 4 Allison T56A14 turboprop engines, featuring a length of 35.54 meters, a wingspan of 30.33 meters, and a height of 10.24 meters. With a maximum takeoff weight of 64,637 kilograms, the EP-3E operated at altitudes of up to 8,625 meters and reached speeds of 750 kilometers per hour. Its endurance exceeded 12 hours, with an operational range surpassing 4,407 kilometers. The aircraft accommodated a crew of 24 specialists who managed intelligence gathering and operational planning. Throughout its service, the EP-3E was deployed to key strategic locations, including the Mediterranean, the Middle East, the Caribbean, the Black Sea, and the South China Sea. A significant incident occurred on April 1, 2001, when a VQ-1 EP-3E collided with a Chinese J-82 fighter over the South China Sea. This led to an emergency landing on China's Hainan Island, resulting in the detention of the aircraft's crew and subsequent diplomatic negotiations between the United States and China. After being disassembled in China, the aircraft was eventually returned to the U.S., reassembled and returned to service. The retirement of the EP-3E is part of a broader modernization effort within the U.S. Navy. The aircraft is being replaced by a combination of advanced platforms, including the MQ-4C Triton unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) and the P-8A Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft. The MQ-4C Triton, a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV, enhances ISR capabilities through persistent aerial surveillance. The P-8A Poseidon is equipped with sophisticated intelligence-gathering sensors, including the AN/APS-154 Advanced Airborne Sensor, and is capable of detecting, locating, and classifying electronic emissions. Additionally, Boeing has developed a modular multi-mission pod to further enhance the Poseidon's reconnaissance capabilities. Due to concerns about survivability, the planned MQ-4C fleet has been reduced from 70 to 27 units, following the 2019 downing of a Broad Area Maritime Surveillance Demonstrator (BAMS-D) by an Iranian surface-to-air missile. The EP-3E Aries II served as a cornerstone of naval intelligence, providing critical surveillance and reconnaissance functions for decades. Its contributions spanned multiple operational theaters, enabling the U.S. Navy to conduct electronic intelligence collection, monitor adversary activities, and support a range of military operations. While the aircraft's retirement marks the end of an era, the transition to newer ISR platforms ensures that the Navy remains equipped with cutting-edge intelligence capabilities to address evolving threats in modern warfare.